Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue in Mecha Break. So the first thing that we're going to do is check the output of our game, so the sound output. We're going to go to settings, then we're going to go to audio and voice chat. So here in voice chat we're going to find under input and output the output device option. I'm going to click on that and change it to the output that we are actually using. So I'm going to change it to my earphones and see if that helps. But if it doesn't help, the next thing that we're going to do is open up the sound mixer. So we're going to go to the bottom right, press on the sound icon, right click on the sound icon, and open up the volume mixer. And here we have our Mecha Break game and the output and input device. So first off, you should check if the output device is actually the device that you want it to be. And then you can go into Mecha Break, and I have it muted, but my sound works. So you can change the output and input devices also to the same output. And then the next thing that we're going to try, if that also didn't help, is we're going to open up the sound settings by right-clicking on the sound icon again, but pressing sound settings this time. We're going to press on our sound output and try to change the format. So you have a few format options. Just play around with these and see if any of those solve your issue. So that's about it for right now. These are all the tips I have. I hope they helped you. If you have any more issues, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. But that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.